Realme X3 SuperZoom spotted on Bluetooth SIG website ahead of launch. Realme X3 SuperZoom smartphone with the model number RMX2086 was spotted on Thailand's NBTC certification website earlier this month. Now, a Realme phone with the same model number, presumably Realme X3 SuperZoom, has been cited on the Bluetooth SIG certification website. The certification website though does not reveal any major specifications of the smartphone. However, it was noted that this Realme smartphone comes with Bluetooth v5.1. At the moment, the Chinese tech company has not confirmed the launch of the Realme X3 SuperZoom. The Bluetooth SIG listing highlights the model number, or the design description in this case, as RMX2086 that was earlier spotted with Realme X3 SuperZoom branding on NBTC certification listing. As mentioned, the listed has also indicated the presence of Bluetooth 5.1 support on the phone. To recall, the NBTC listing also did not offer any key details about the Realme X3 SuperZoom smartphone, other than revealing that the phone comes with LTE support. Interestingly, the same model number was spotted on two Geekbench listings. These listings showed the phone is powered by an octa-core processor and will come with 12 GB of RAM. Moreover, both the listings claim that this Realme smartphone runs on Android 10. If Realme is indeed working on the Realme X3 SuperZoom, we can assume that the phone will focus on cameras. The X3 moniker also suggests that the phone will be part of the rumored Realme X3 series. Meanwhile, the Realme X3 has been seen in multiple leaks recently. The phone was spotted on Tena and it is tipped to come with a quad rear camera setup that will include a 48-megapixel main camera, an 8-megapixel secondary sensor, and two 2-megapixel sensors. For more updates subscribe to Tech News and share this video.